Hey everybody, welcome to another weekly update. Welcome to those that are watching on the video platform and welcome to those that are listening on a podcast version as well. Thank you for joining me. It's a relatively mild day here in Scotland, so I've decided to go outside and film it here. However, I've realised that now that we're well and truly into winter, the trees are looking decidedly bare and it's maybe not the best backdrop, so I need to rethink where I film these videos during the winter. But hey ho, I hope you're all doing well. This has been a monumentally busy week for me. I think I have in some shape or other worked or had an activity after work, so it's been a long week for me. A good week though. We had the 26th Glasgow Azure user group, which is the last of the year for us. It was really great to have everybody together. We had some great topics from Gary Short talking about data and data analytics. We also had Keith Atherton doing his very first live talk, talking about certifications and how to study and some of the hacks on how to get the best value for your money if you're having to pay for it yourself. And then last but not least, we had Brett from AMD talking about AMD's sustainability and some of the things that they are doing right now in the IT industry and where they're going as well. So awesome to see everybody, and thank you to everybody that joined. If you didn't get a chance to join us on the night, we will be releasing the recording, so it will be on my channel here, so check that out and wait for that notification to pop up. If you haven't already, this is probably a good opportunity for me to say, please do hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well if you're watching on the YouTube channel. Now, in terms of news this week, it has been fairly light. However, I have two small announcements or two bits of news that I've picked out. The first one is an Azure in Preview feature, and that's automatic rotation of your keys inside Azure Key Vault, which basically means you can have zero touch inside those keys in your Azure Key Vault, and using Event Grid you can have them auto rotate based on a policy so that your secrets, your keys aren't being the same for the whole year, for years on end. They're rotating so that they're constantly changing and hopefully making them more secure by changing as well. So that's a good feature to have as well. It's very interesting actually looking at some of these products grow. I've been using Azure for a good number of years now, and I remember some of these products when they first were announced, came out, and the functionality that they brought, but also the lack of functionality, and seeing them grow. I kind of feel proud about them growing, to be honest, even though I don't work for Microsoft anymore. It's nice to see these features coming along and grow as a platform and as a service altogether. Now, the second bit of news is a bit of a tech news story. So it was recently announced that Apple are actually going to make an Android app that helps with those AirTag tracking. So a while ago, I think it might have been this year or last year, Apple released the little AirTags where you can put them on a key ring, put them on your suitcase, put them on your handbag, put them on your backpack, put them on any kind of equipment that you might want to track and don't keep it and you don't want to lose at any point. And there was a security concern where these small AirTags could be dropped into your pocket or into a bag surreptitiously by someone maliciously trying to track you, which, to be honest, I didn't realise was a concern, but apparently it is. And Apple have been working on building in features into the Apple app that says if there's an AirTag somewhere near you that doesn't belong to you and it's been tracking you for quite a while, then it will actually alert you inside your iPhone or iPad or whatever you have that app installed on. So that's a good security feature, and I believe that this Android app that's coming out is actually going to help you with that as well. So if you're a non-Apple user but you are concerned about potentially AirTags tracking you, being put on your person somewhere by someone who's trying to track you or stalk you or whatever it may be, you'll be able to use this Android app. So yeah, good to see that happening. I guess for me it wasn't something I actually inherently thought about when the AirTags came out, but I guess there are bad people out there that would probably use some of this good technology for bad things. So we have to be able to solve these problems as technologists as well. So yeah, hopefully this update has been useful for you. Sorry it's so short, but it's been a bit quiet, and I think a lot of people are taking time off. I know a lot of people have actually stopped already for the kind of end of year, taking their holidays, and aren't coming back till mid-January. So if you're one of those people and you've tuned into this video, thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying your time off. If you haven't yet set off for your end of year break, then good luck to the countdown to that day, and I hope you enjoy it, whatever you've got planned. And I'll hopefully catch you in another video. Cheers everybody!